Hi everyone. So here's something I've been thinking about for a bit of time. I just wanted to put it out there and see what you guys think. So in terms of morality, right? Now, we are, depending on, whether your parents are secular or whether your parents are religious, ultra-religious or orthodox in some cases, or whether they're just, non-religious and just, people who are just peace-loving, who are not really thinking about it from a religious or a secular perspective, just thinking about it from their own point of view, who all of us derive morality because, we're taught by our parents and the loved ones and those who were involved in raising us, in teaching us, how to conduct ourselves so that whether it's a family unit or whether it's a neighborhood or a city or a country, we all have an opportunity to exist so that we all follow a path of least resistance against each other while, following the letter of the law. So this, in Canada, this, the basic document in terms of the way we treat each other is the Constitution. Now, the Constitution is a fantastic document that needs to be truly understood to appreciate it. And, initially I was, as a kid, I remember thinking, oh, okay, that's nice, and not really giving it much thought. Then the older I got, the more appreciative I became of how incredible this document really is, both in Canada, then, of course, the US, in terms of their document, and various others from around the world, and the differences and why they may be. So here's the question that I want to ask is, we see morality the way we look at it from a human perspective, in terms of how we exist in countries and so forth, and how the very basic understanding of it is that we all agree to is expressed as, laws and the constitutional rights and so forth in terms of our behavior for our society to function effectively. Now, is it possible to say kind of the beginnings of this type of basic understanding in nature? A certain set of morality that that's present, but I mean,